As the first rays of sunlight gently touch the earth, a symphony of whispers caresses the dawn. Mystical and ethereal, the mist envelopes the stillness, leaving behind silent echoes in its wake. In this magical moment, as nature stirs to life, love awakens and blossoms with the rising sun. It is a radiant bloom that forever graces the heart and soul, filling each day with warmth, tenderness, and endless possibilities. Embrace the whispers of dawn, honor the silent echoes in the mist, and let love bloom with the sun.